What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Genesis remote key fob. This remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to need is a small Phillips head screwdriver and a smaller flathead screwdriver. So if we grab the flathead screwdriver and we grab our key fob, if we hold it looking at it like this on the back side and we take a look on the right hand side, we see there's two notches right here. What I'm going to do is stick my screwdriver in that notch and just kind of gently pry up on the back cover, and then come up here, same thing. Once you get that back cover loose, go ahead and pull it all the way off. Now what we want to do is grab our Phillips head screwdriver, and we see this round piece that has a plus on it. That is the cover for the battery, and there's two small Phillips head screws that we need to remove. That out of there, and be careful with these small screws, they're easy to lose. Once you get the two screws off, that back piece, that round piece, will lift off like that. And now we see our battery right here. Now you can grab your flathead screwdriver and use it to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And we kind of need to tuck this edge in first right here. Oops. Tuck this edge in first, and then we'll snap down into place. Now we'll grab our battery cover. And this little metal tab right here that my thumb's on is the first thing that you kind of need to tuck in under here. And then you'll see the screw holes will line up. Go ahead and put those two screws in. Once you have your two screws in, we can go ahead and pop this back cover on. And just make sure you're kind of lining up that cutout with that button. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.